Hey guys, it's the end of 2019. I thought it would be fun to do a little bit of a 2019 year in review for everything that's happened on the channel in the past 38 videos that I've posted here on this channel this year. Let's get right into it. Man, there's my video for tomorrow. Hey, we're here at the Honeywell Fire and Security booth, particularly looking at what System Sensor has to offer. We're here at the Kidde booth, and they're showing off some of their new technology with their older xenon strobes versus the newer LED series. Up here, they also have a ceiling mount LED device that will be coming out later on this year. I have never had any voice evacuation system.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency situation has been detected in this building. Proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building until directed to by the proper authorities.
All the moderators from the Fire Alarm Discord in person. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Still kind of messed up. Like,
I know.
I know.
What's your problem?
People that often. Well, then why are you touching me?
Smoke detector, pulse station, resistors, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, LCD, relays, circuit board, multimeter. This can only mean one thing. We're going to be building a panel. We are not in our standard place. If we follow our wire down, there is a smoke detector in this closet. Now, this is an L series, just sounder, no strobe, no lettering either. And we've got an NBG12LX down there. Coming up this way, we have a smoke detector overhead now. You might notice the system's a little bit bigger than it used to be. And we are at our next sounder, but there's more. First of all, there's another NBG12 LX down here as well. It is the MS9200 UDLS is up again. It lives once more. This is the same panel that we had before. And finally, just as of yesterday, I hit 4,000 subscribers here on this channel. So thank you guys for a fantastic 2019, and I'm looking forward to 2020. Happy New Year. Zach out.